The mustang kids are out, rolling over hills and the roundabouts. White line motorcade, sweeter than your baby face.
Hey guys, it's Virginia. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Thursday, May 25th, I believe. That means it's 7 months till Christmas. Why did I mention Christmas? It's summer. I was in 7th grade. I was like super obsessed with Christmas, and I counted down like literally for months until Christmas. But yeah, my friend Joseph is coming over. I think he's about to come over, and I'm just, chilling, eating some breakfast. It's almost 11 o'clock. He was supposed to come over 50 minutes ago, but he didn't, so nice. But I think we're gonna ride bikes and possibly go down to the railroad tracks because I live near some railroad tracks, and when I was younger we used to walk on them. Like our family would just go down there and walk on them sometimes, and we haven't done that in like so long, and it's like so cool to go down there, but I haven't like gone past like right where it is near like our yard, because our yard like also includes some woods that lead down to the railroad tracks. But yeah, you'll see. Oh, there he is. Here he comes. Yeah, he lives right across the street from me, and he just got out of school today, his last exam. Yay. And then we're hanging out before he has to go to work at 1, so we have a few hours to chill. Hey Joseph, I'm vlogging.
Stop!
What?
No, go away!
Even though it's cloudy, it's sunny. It's so nice. It's still cooler than it normally is, which is strange.
I like it though.
Yeah. So we were gonna go ride bikes, but the one that he was gonna ride had 2 flat tires, and the one that I was gonna ride had like 1 half flat tire. And then we tried to like pump air into it, and then it like kind of broke, so that's good, but so we can't do that now. But we're just gonna go walk down to the railroad tracks, and Joseph is going and changing his shoes because he's wearing flip-flops right now, and that's not a good thing to walk through the woods and the railroad tracks. And so yeah, we go into the railroad tracks. You made it! Good job, Joseph! I've never seen it before. There's fungi. Or fungus. Oh, that was a loud noise. Look at that. Yeah. That's gross. Joseph! Come on!
Why do you do this?
Why do you do that?
Because I want to. Why do you keep filming me? No.
Because I do, because I want to.
No!
Everything's so graceful, and then there's Joseph.
Leave me alone. Go away.
Do you really want me to leave you alone on the railroad tracks?
Yes, because I'm on my way back. Stop. Oh my gosh.
haven't been down here in so long. Some nice rocks to climb. Cute little weeds. Here we are. That's the old train bridge. Oh, it's so pretty. I haven't been down here in years. And way over there is another train bridge. Yeah. Oh, I just realized if I let go of my phone, it will fall into the river. I'm holding it a lot tighter now. Okay, we should probably head back. We're heading back now because he has to be home for when his brother gets home from school. He's on summer break starting today. So yeah, if I make these like vlogs sort of a daily or like bi-daily thing, I might make a vlog channel. And let me know if you would subscribe to that if you'd want to watch more vlogs from me. Sorry that it's shaky. I'm walking on really uneven ground right now, which consists of kind of rotting wood and a bunch of rocks, as you can see. Oh, did you see how good that was? That was like the best heel click I've ever done.
That wasn't a heel click.
Thanks, Joseph.
You're welcome.
Headed back now. We have like, I don't know what time it is, a few minutes. But it doesn't take long to get up here. If you're wondering what these stumps are from, it used to be like clear down here. But then a giant tree fell over. It was like pretty big tree.
So rude.
Yeah. See what's worst after like that big hill is we have to keep climbing uphill. It's like so subtle, but it's such a long, subtle hill. All right, we back. Yay, we survived. Oh, that was my workout for today.